Today's topic electric potential and capacitance. Subtopic is zero potential point. Zero potential point. Zero potential point means the point at which resultant potential is zero. It is called zero potential point. So the point at which resultant potential is zero, that is called zero potential point. Actually, potential means work done to bringing of test charge from infinity to a point against this field or in the direction of field. So that is called potential. So here zero potential point, it is exist for only unlike charges, for not like charges. Whenever we are adding like charges, so the potential cannot be become zero. So when we are adding positive and negative charges, then the potential will be become zero. Actually, potentiality is based on the charge, bringing of charge to a point. Then, so zero potential point exists for only unlike charges, but not like charges, right? So for example, we can consider this is plus q1, this is plus q2, minus of q2. So these two charges are separated by a distance. What is it? R. R is the separation between two charges. Now this charge is bringing to a point. So certain point. This is A point. This is B point. These two charges are located at this A point and B point. That is plus Q1 and minus Q2. So whenever we are bringing this charge from A point to B point, then the potential at this point is, what is it? VA. Potential at this point is VA. Whenever we are bringing this, what is it? Here minus Q2 charge to point, what is it? B. Then potential at this point is, what is it? VB. Then according to this point is locating at what distance? X distance. This is remaining distance R minus of X. Right. So potential at this P point, potential at point P due to plus Q1, that is VA is equal to, according to our definition, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by R. R nothing but what is that? X. Okay, yesterday we will discuss electric potential due to point charging formula we are going to apply in this case, and potential at point P due to minus Q2 charge. So minus of Q2, therefore VB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by R minus of what is it? X. Then whenever this plus charge and minus charge will be, what is it, added at this point, then the resultant potential become zero. Therefore resultant potential, that is VA plus VB, that is equal to 0. We are nothing but resultant potential. Resultant resultant potential. Therefore, VA that is equal to what is that? VB. Magnitudes are what are they? Same. Magnitudes are same. So equate them. Then what you are getting here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by X, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q2 divided by R minus of X by epsilon naught get cancelled. Then Q1 divided by here R minus of X divided by X, that is equal to Q2 divided by Q1. Therefore, R by X minus of 1, that is equal to Q2 divided by Q1. R by X is equal to Q2 divided by Q1 plus 1, where X is equal to R divided by Q2 divided by Q1 plus 1. This is what is that? Zero potential point. So zero potential point, whenever point is lies in between them, this is zero potential point, distance of the zero potential point. If point is lie between them, lie between two charges. If point is lie outside of the two charges, if point lie outside of two charges, then for example this is what is it? Plus Q1, this is minus of Q2, these two are separated by a distance R. Now we can consider this point here, the work done to bring the charge from here to this point, that is VA, and work done to bring the charge from here to this point, that is VB. Therefore, resultant potential it is become 0 at this position. Then for what is that? Point is lying outside of the two charges, then formula is Q2 by Q1 minus of, this is position of the null point formula, position of null point. Okay, so this is zero potential point concept. Page 142, problem number 2. So, two electric charges, here two electric charges, Q1 that is equal to 9 microcoulomb, Q2 is equal to minus of 3 microcoulombs. So they are placed at a distance, X is equal to 0.16 meters apart. Then there will be a point at which the electric potential will be 0 on joining the line, okay, of two charges and in between them. So the point will be located in between them. So this is the point locating at a distance. So here potential at this point VA and work done to bring the charge from here to this point, that is VB. Here potential at this point is equal to 0. VA is equal to what is that? VB. Therefore VA is equal to 1 by 4 pi into epsilon naught. Asking question, what is it? What is the position of the null point? X. Then X divided by, that is Q1 divided by X, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi into epsilon naught of Q2 divided by R minus of X. Get cancelled. Q1 is 9 microcoulomb 10 power of minus 6 divided by X, that is equal to Q2. Q2 is what is that? 3 microcoulomb minus of 6 divided by r minus of x. R means 0.16 minus of x. Get cancel, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. After cross multiplication, 3 into 0.16 minus of x is equal to x. Therefore, 0.48 minus of 3x, that is equal to 2x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 0.48. So, x is equal to what is that? 0.48 divided by 4, where x is equal to 0.12 meters. 0.12 meters. This is zero potential point. This is zero potential point.